Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the monitor and cable type because native resolution determines clarity. Once done, plug in HDMI or display port securely and power the monitor. Loose cables cause resolution limits. Now open Display Settings. On Windows, press Windows key +I, then System right arrow Display. On macOS, choose Apple menu right arrow System Preferences right arrow Displays. You want to see current resolution and scaling options immediately, so you can change only what the hardware supports and avoid distorted output. You now change resolution and scaling to balance sharpness and readability. Select the display, then pick the recommended or native resolution. This gives the cleanest image. If items appear too small, increase scaling to 125% or 150% rather than lowering resolution. That preserves pixel clarity. For multiple monitors, set the main display and apply matching resolutions where possible, or set independent scaling per screen. Make sure to apply and preview changes so you can confirm text and UI look correct before finalizing. You finish by fine-tuning using GPU controls and testing. Open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel settings to create a custom resolution or adjust refresh rate. Only use custom modes if the monitor supports them, and test briefly so you can revert automatically. If the screen looks blurry or UI elements misaligned, make sure you're at the native resolution and use a higher quality cable like DisplayPort. Finally, update display drivers. Restart the PC, and if needed, reset scaling to default. This often resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.